Hi honeys, how's your day going so far? Mine is going fine. Today I'm getting ready to air fry some chicken breast strips. I already washed them and patted them dry with a paper towel. That's what I'm doing. They can be as dry as possible before I season them. Soften up the water in the bottom of the bowl. I bought these chicken breast strips from Aldi. Throw this away. Okay. Now I'm going to get this ready. I'll plug this in. This is my Cosori air fryer. I got foil up under the fry basket. Helps with cleanup. I'm going to preheat the air fryer. Okay, I always use yellow mustard to marinate my chicken with. That's good. And the chicken will not taste like mustard. I'm going to use this. I got this from Dollar Tree. It's the Kingsford garlic and herbs all-purpose seasoning, rustic Tuscan style. When I tasted it in my hand, it tastes good. Really good for $1. Oh, it smells good. I smell oregano. I need something red up on here. Huh? What?
Apple juice.
Okay, I got a little cayenne pepper I'm putting on here. Do I want some paprika? No. I'll be using my breader shaker bowl. I'll be using some olive oil. I'm going to use some Uncle Buck's chicken fry mix. Oh, I can't open it. Okay. There's a thing on here. This is how it looks. Woo. So I'm going to put this in the breader shaker bowl. Just put a little. Should be enough. Put this aside. I'm going to smush this with my glove on and smush all that mustard and the seasonings together. Then I'll throw it in the breader shaker bowl. I'll put some oil in here. This is These wings don't have any skin on them. I don't want no dry chicken. Chicken strips can tend to be dry, so you need some oil. Put some more seasoning. This stuff is really good. It's through preheating. Okay, how it looks. Put these in here. If I would fix 5. That's good. Walter's eating barbecue. I'd rather have chicken. Check this out. Shake it. Let's see. Grating is at the bottom. And bread it nicely. And spray the basket. And I'm going to spray the chicken. Okay. Let's see what I'm doing. Turn it back on. So, I'm going to put it on the fish setting. That's 350 for 8 minutes. Since these are boneless, skinless tenderloins, they have a tendency to be dry. And I don't want no dry chicken. So, 8 minutes should be enough time. But I'll check everything. Save this for another date. Put this in here and I'm going to stick this in the refrigerator. I'm not going to shake it up now. Okay, I'll be back. Okay, y'all, I cranked this up to 400 degrees instead of 3, whatever it was on. And I added a couple more minutes. I'm so ready to eat. I think I'm going to check the temp of these chicken tenders now, chicken strips. I'm using this meat thermometer. I didn't flip them over at all. It should register at least 165. Oh, 182. Check this piece. 187. Stick it into the fattest part of the meat. So these are good and done. Always just rinse the tip off, and dry it off, and fold it back up, and turn it off. Okay, I didn't flip these at all. Let me just say that. Let's see how the back looks. Nice and golden brown on the back and the front. I just hope they're crispy. And I don't want them to be dry. I see a little powder from the flour. Because I didn't spray that side, because I didn't flip them. That's good. Making me a chicken strip dog. Ouch. I need a fork to break that. But these are my chicken strips or chicken tenders. I got some hot sauce and I got some barbecue sauce in here. Came from Sharks. Let me get a fork so I can break this hot meat up. Okay. I need a thumbnail. I need some baked beans later, but I'm eating this now. It's a crazy thumbnail pic. Okay. Oh, it's tender. It's hot. Ooh. Chicken is nice and it looks juicy. Not crispy. It's crispy. These are good, y'all. You're supposed to eat chicken strips with your hand and dip it in the sauce. It's a little bit too hot right now. Good, nice, tender, moist, crispy. Like I said, I didn't flip it. Get the skin off of here. Okay. Well, thank you for watching. Give me a thumbs up. Leave a nice comment and subscribe to my channel. And you all have a very blessed rest of the day. Bon appetit. Bye. So good. And this is a poppy seed and sesame seed and onion hot dog bun.